Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a minute, I know, again, it happened. It always happens. So I had been vlogging Paris last week, which I was supposed to post at the weekend. Basically, that was just a bit of travel mix-up on my part. It was all my fault, but it just kind of put a bit of a downer on the trip for me, and it made me not want to vlog. As you can imagine, when you're feeling a bit shitty, you don't want to be like, hey guys, I'm having a great time. And I was shooting the Jaded Man Collab, which I couldn't actually show you on camera anyway, so it was a bit annoying when I was wearing the pieces. I couldn't really film. But I did post a sneak peek on my Instagram story the other day. This is my mum. Hello. Oh my days. Some people's faces just look like that though. Sorry, that was my mum, but she has gone now. I'm just trying to find music to play. I keep leaving my laptop in the lounge because we keep streaming Black Clover in the evenings. We're on episode like 70 now. Me and Scott literally watched episode 0 to 70, probably in the past month, and it's amazing. I'm also, Tom on the Paris Eurostar showed me Demon Slayer, and oh my god, that was amazing too, so we're going to start watching that after we're up to date on Black Clover. But yeah, first of all, I'm going to tidy this because it's been like this in every video that I've filmed recently and it's doing my nut in. So I colour coded everything, started with the colours, not a lot of in my wardrobe, through to the creams, whites, and then the darks. I've got more wardrobes in the other rooms, so anything like that I found that were like shorts and stuff, because it is officially winter. Autumn is officially here, it is gross outside. So all my shorts and kind of lighter things that I would wear in summer, I will put in the wardrobe. eBloggers is where I sell all my secondhand clothing. Any portion of the sale goes to charity as well, so if you do prefer to shop pre-owned rather than brand new, then head onto my eBloggers. There is a link in the description box below. What was I going to show you? So, BRB. Honestly, this isn't even clickbait because I did order something from PrettyLittleThing, and here it is in all of its unicorn pink packaging. But I only ordered one thing, so I've lured you in with my PrettyLittleThing order. But I thought to show you a few more things that are less shocking than PrettyLittleThing. I also ordered a couple of things from ASOS as well. But if you enjoy what I get from this and you want to see me order more I say women's clothing, they're just clothes, but if you want to see me order from more women's wear places, then let me know in the comments below because I'm happy to do it. And if these look good, I'm wearing them. If they look shit, then probably not. But I've not opened them yet, so I don't know what they look like on. So I guess it's like a bit of a haul video with a twist. We'll do the ASOS pieces first. Now, since winter is fast approaching, I'll just take out what I got in here. I ordered one of my faves, the Stan beanie from Weekday, but in a new grey colour. It's actually not winter, it's still very warm outside. I left wearing my big thick Balenciaga hoodie the other day, literally sweated my balls off. I was like, probably not the best idea. I was like, Joel, it's not winter yet, calm down. Let's try on. So I was a big fan of these last winter, and a lot of people hated them. It divided a lot of people. It's very tight, it's very fresh right now, the hat, so it kind of looks a bit like a condom on my head. But I think it's cute, and I think it will be, when it's less like pointy, it'll look better, because it kind of rounds out over time. Oh, I can show you this that I got for Paris that I didn't obviously show you because I didn't vlog the rest of Paris, because I decided to have a mental breakdown. But I got this beret with this kind of like Gallucks, still can't say that brand, buckle on the front or back. I think it's the back, so I think you're supposed to wear it like this. But I kind of wanted people to see the buckle because I thought it was a nice detail, so I wore it on Instagram like this. It's very like military beret. It looks a bit ridiculous now, but when you're in France, you don't feel that ridiculous. So also I picked up a couple of Nike pieces the other day, which a lot of people on my Instagram stories were going crazy for. So you search mini swoosh on ASOS, and it's like, I don't know why it's called mini swoosh. I thought there was like a girl on Instagram called mini swoosh, I can't remember now, but I don't know if this is to do with her or if they've always done a mini swoosh collection, but it's basically just a tiny tick. So like a mini swoosh, because this is the Nike swoosh. But it's in the women's section, so technically this is more women's clothing. So, didn't clickbait you. This is size XL, and it is just a black sweatshirt with the mini swoosh on. It's a very nice fit. The sleeves taper a lot, which I don't mind. If it wasn't an XL, it would be extremely tight, like the large. The sleeves on this are a bit tight. I wish they had an XL in stock, but they didn't. But I wish they did up to like 2XL or 3XL so that taller people could also purchase. Because I just feel like it is a bit tight, and I did want it to be like super oversized, but the sleeves do taper really tightly for some reason. But yeah, but I still really like it, and they're quite affordable as well. I'll leave links to the Nike pieces in the description box as well. I ordered a coat from ASOS because I saw it on the new in, and one second. Burnt orange overcoat, and it looks beautiful. It's kind of like a terracotta, like deep orange. It feels really nice as well. I'll try these on for you. And I'll try on my PrettyLittleThing thing for you. And finally, what you've all been waiting for, literally no one. What I have been waiting for is to open my PrettyLittleThing package. I've never ordered anything from PrettyLittleThing before. And I ordered it like in the afternoon yesterday, and it's here already. Honestly, a little bit shook and kind of impressed. Also, there was like a discount code for free so next day delivery was going to be $5.99, and then if I used this code it became $1.99, which was really cheap. So I was like, okay. Now I'm going to open this carefully as well in case I want to send this back. Oh, they don't have a... It's not like a cut along the line thing. Oh. Safety first to avoid suffocation. Yeah. I think I'll be okay. I really want these to look good. I just don't know. I don't have the curves, maybe. From the PrettyLittleThing X Saweetie collection, I've actually seen Saweetie perform live. And when I say live, I mean lip sync at the Boohoo Man Party in LA this year in April, just before Coachella. And I was like, who is this? That's Saweetie. She was going out with, wow, I really don't know anything. Quavo? Yeah, I think she was going out with Quavo. I don't know if they're still together. Wow, I really don't, I should just stop talking. It's white, wide leg denim, kind of like carpenter pants with rips in the knees. And honestly, at the moment, I'm thinking that this could be a really good idea, but we'll see. I got them in a size 14. Because I'm a 32 waist, and I read on the website that if you're 32 waist, then you should go for a size 14. And I saw one of my favorite inspos on Instagram, Black Dope, she had them, and I was like, they're so nice. I was like, I don't care what brand they are or where they're from. I just want them to look that good on me. I'm gonna try everything on for you and give you my like first reaction. So you can see, I've even brought my mirror here so that you can see and hear my initial reactions. I've worn these before, so I know what this is like. But do you see what I mean about the sleeves? Like the actual body bit of the sweatshirt itself is fine, but the sleeves just taper in and get really tight. But I quite like the fit. And it's really affordable, so it's a nice piece to have, and it's just plain with the swoosh. Nike jumper was an XL, but the hoodie is a large, so this is a little bit smaller. And I honestly wish they had this in an XL or even bigger, because it is just a bit tight. But it's nice to wear under things. Some things are too thick to wear under things, so this is quite thin. And I've been wearing it to like go to the gym in the morning and stuff, so it's just quite a nice thin kind of layer. But yeah, again, the sleeves taper really tightly. Here is the ASOS white burnt orange overcoat, which I'm extremely excited for. Ooh, yeah, this is lovely. This is honestly like the perfect oversized size, and it feels nice, and the quality feels really nice as well. And it's this lovely like burnt orange color. I wish it would stop being so muggy outside and just get a bit colder. And I want to show you my pale legs. Okay, they fit, which is a start. Oh my god, guys. I think they actually look quite nice. Maybe not with this top. And you can definitely see my underwear through them. But I actually don't hate them. Do you know what? This is the worst. This was a bad idea to do this. I'll do this. Like, I'm not mad. Are you mad? I kind of like them. What? I didn't know I could shop at PrettyLittleThing and be happy with it. All I can hear is Sweetie's song. I actually really like these. I think these could look really good. Damn, Sweetie. And they're like 20 something pounds. Wow. I am shook. You're making me feel like a pretty little thing. And that's it, that's the video. I ordered some pants from PrettyLittleThing and I like them. The end.